Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me?
Press the backs of our hands together.
Ayun, good afternoon guys. Nandito po tayo sa Silver Crown Pansiteria. At ulit si Ilaw Moto at si... Yan. So, dito try natin to. Ito po ay nasa Monumento. Tapat lang po siya ng security bank, Silver Crown Pansiteria. So, titikman natin yung mga pinagmamalaki nila. Actually, Chinese cuisine to na mura. Kaya, tara, abangan nyo kung ano yung mga i-orderin namin. Pero, bago yun, nanin natin yung mga menu. So guys, ayun nga pala, Silver Crown Pansiteria. We serve dishes at reasonable prices. Accept reservation. Yan po, sa 255 Samson Road, Caloocan City. Yan po siya located. At ito po yung menu nila. Yan, yan nyo na lang po. Post nyo na lang po. Yan. Updated po ito menu nila as of August 2026 po. Yan. So, yan po. Post nyo na lang po. Yan po. So, Chinese cuisine siya. Yan. So, abangan po natin yung order ha.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends.
Ito yung Shanghai nila sa sarap. Masarap din ang sauce.
Ito na, chokawalin. Malambot yung din chokawalin na. Solid. Kasi ito, tingnan mo to. Shanghai. Malaman yung. Ang sarap. Sige.